Python is one of the most popular and versatile programming languages in the world, and many influential people have shared their opinions about it. Here are some examples of what they have said. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft and a philanthropist, has praised Python for its simplicity and readability. He said, "Python is a great language for teaching programming, both at the introductory level and in more advanced courses. It has a very clean syntax, an extensive standard library, and a rich set of third-party packages for scientific computing, web development, data analysis, and more." Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla and SpaceX, has used Python for various projects, such as the Hyperloop and Neuralink. He said, "Python is pretty much my favorite language. It's very easy to use, very intuitive, very expressive. You can do a lot with very little code." Mark Zuckerberg, the founder and CEO of Facebook, has also used Python for developing some of the features of his social network. He said, "Python is fast enough for our site and allows us to produce maintainable features in record times, with a minimum of developers." These are just some examples of the many influential people who use Python and have positive opinions about it. You can find more information about them and their projects on their websites or social media accounts. I hope this video will help you to decide right your programming language.